Hey, hey, hey! It's your girl Raah Vibez here with the dancehall move of the week. Today's move is called Rocking Dolly by Dolly Body. Let's see it.
Fear rock now. Anybody wanna do the dance here? Oh no, go back home. Dolly Body of unity. Rocking Dolly. Rock queer, rock queer. Rocking Dolly. Rock queer, rock queer.
Now for Rocking Dolly, we want to start by rocking the hips, okay? So we're going to have our legs apart, gonna bend over, and your hips going to be dropped on each side. Notice how I'm bending my knee to help my hips drop, okay? From the side, this is what that looks like. Drop, 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 drop. Okay? Let's try it a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop, 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 drop. Okay? Now, the next thing you want to do is just have your thumb kind of resting on your lips. Okay? If you have nails, you can like bite your nail or whatever the case is. You can slightly bite your thumb, whatever you need to do. And putting it together, we're just going to rock our hips and bite our thumb. Okay? Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now obviously you want to add your style, add your swag, add your flavor, and that's pretty much it. So let's try it with some music.
Rock queer, rock queer. Rock queer, rock queer. Rock queer, rock queer. Yeah, Dolly, you flash it, yeah, dash it. Rock queer, rock queer. Rock queer, rock queer.
And that was Rockin' Dolly by Dolly Body. Yes! I hope you're proud of yourself because I know you killed it. And don't forget, practice makes progress. Once again, I'm Raah Vibez. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media at Raah Vibez, and subscribe to my newsletter at raahvibez.com for more dance tutorials. Peace!